Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this session, we are going to learn about the user plane function. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the session management function. So the link is in description. Go through that and please come back to this later if you don't know about SMF and AMF and other network functions. So here we have the architecture, service-based architecture of 5G core. So the user plane function. Here we have the user plane function. This is the data plane in which in the 5G core. So after the access gateway function, we have access gateway function that authenticates the subscriber and establishes a protocol data unit. The session management function selects the UPF for the subscriber. So the UPF provides the following functionality. So subscriber tunnel encapsulations enabled by the GPRS tunneling protocol, user plane GTPU. Okay, packet routing and forwarding, quality of service and buffering, policy enforcement, statistics gathering and reporting, lawful intercept, request processing, optional advanced services. So this supports the UPF user plane function both when the platform is dedicated to the user plane function and when the UPF is co-located with the access gateway function AGF. We'll also discuss about the AGF in the upcoming sessions. AGF on the platform. So now we can configure the UPF as the target UPF or as an intermediate UPF. So multiple UPFs are connected by the N9 reference interface. So a target UPF communicates with the data network over the N6, this data network. So over the N6 reference interface, an immediate UPF performs the role of an uplink classifier and communicates with the UPFs over N9 interface. So 5G user plane function is the function that does all of the work to connect the actual data coming over the radio area network, that is the RAN, to the internet. Being able to quickly and accurately route packets to the correct destination on the internet is the key of improving efficiency and user satisfaction. So routing requires that the headers of each packet are examined in real time. This is called deep header inspection, DHI, and searchers can use a combination of exact match, longest prefix match, that is LPM, or even access control list match, ACL. So depending upon the system, the total number of rules, the number of rules that match the complexity of the rules, and the speed of the searches, that is a millions of searches per second, determine the overall performance level. So the 5G 5G user plane function is the function that does all of the work to connect the actual data coming over the radio access network, as I said, and that is to the internet, like between the radio access network and the data network. So here we have some of the pivotal responsibilities. Radio access network or the RAN or data network interconnect. This is the interconnect between, as I said, data network and radio access network. So packet inspection and application detection. Then packet routing and data forwarding is one which I have mentioned earlier as well. And then we have the quality of service management and usage reporting, right? So it must deliver these services under extreme throughput conditions, and it has to be 100% stable to meet the ultra reliable connectivity requirements, right? It also has to be as close to 100% accurate in application identification as possible for effective network slicing and orchestration of network functions. However, application classification is a highly complex and resource intensive process. It has become even more complicated with the increased use of encryption. In addition, with protocol signatures used in application classification must be continuously updated, making it difficult to maintain accuracy in application awareness for the user plane function. So the challenge UPF 5G UPF challenge I would like to mention is to maintain application awareness without impacting user plane function performance and stability. So a logical solution is to leverage 5G service based architecture to offload application classification from the user plane function. If application identification is offloaded from the user plane function controller, application ID, that is app ID propagation is difficult. So this was all about the user plane function. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and share it with your friends, colleagues, and whoever might need this kind of information. Thank you so much. So for to keep me motivated, you can just ask me like the doubts and anything, any video, any related video in the comment section. Thank you.